Revolut Staking is a feature that allows users to earn rewards on their cryptocurrency holdings. To understand why use Revolut Staking, let's break down the concept and its benefits. First, staking is a process where users hold and validate transactions on a blockchain network. Similar to mining but with a different approach. Instead of solving complex mathematical problems, staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network. Revolut Staking offers a simple and secure way to participate in this process. By staking cryptocurrencies through Revolut, users can earn up to 12% interest per annum, paid out daily. This provides a passive income stream and a potential long-term investment opportunity. One of the key benefits of Revolut Staking is its ease of use. Users do not need extensive technical knowledge or specialized equipment to get started. The process is straightforward and can be managed directly through the Revolut app. Another significant advantage is the flexibility it offers. Users can stake a variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Ethereum and Tezos, and can start with as little as $1. This makes it accessible to a wide range of investors, from beginners to experienced traders. In addition to the financial benefits, Revolut Staking also promotes the security and stability of the blockchain networks it supports. By holding and validating transactions, users contribute to the overall health and integrity of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Best practices for using Revolut Staking include diversifying your portfolio by staking multiple cryptocurrencies, regularly reviewing and adjusting your stakes, and staying informed about market trends and updates. In conclusion, Revolut Staking offers a convenient and potentially lucrative way to earn rewards on cryptocurrency holdings. With its ease of use, flexibility, and contribution to blockchain security, it is an attractive option for anyone looking to expand their investment portfolio or earn passive income.